Hello, this is Danger Dave, and this is my trainee Jed. He's a bit on the slow side, so we're going to catch him a break here as he runs into that wall. He's wearing bubble wrap so it protects him. I don't know how good it'll do, but we'll see. Now go. You see, that's what retarded people get when they try to act.
Holy, what are you doing?
Oi. You know,
what are you doing?
a trainee never survives this class.
What are you doing? I can't even.
Every trainee has died.
Holy. Holy. What are you doing now?
Getting away!
No!
Come on, you little meat.
Fuck you, Davey. I'm internally bleeding. Stop it. I'm gonna go. My pancreas.
But you die already, you son of a bitch.
I'm a survivor. Oh! I'm gonna fucking kill you. You told me I'm gonna survive. Oh my God, that's life. Fuck you, Davey. Oh. Oh. Fuck you, Davey. Oh.
I told you.
Fuck you, Davey.
Snap your damn neck.
Oh, get up, pal. Help me up. Help me up, man. What are you doing? Help me up. Help me up. Help me up. I'm telling you. Help me up. It ain't no fun no more. Help me up. You saw that boy. Help me up. Help me up. In all seriousness, let's be friends now. Getting out of hand. Come on, yeah. Oh, my pancreas. Oh.
That ring told me never die, do they?
Hello, hi, Mummy. Hi, Mummy. Wait, one more. One more. Piece of shit, give me one more. Right now, right? This one. Yeah, wait. I told you. Nobody's survives danger. One more. That's it. Oh, yeah. I'm just kidding. No. I have internal bleeding now, Davey. My spleen is exploding. How long do you video for? Jesus Christ. No. Hit me with that bump.
Want a little toy?
No, I wasn't serious.
I thought you were. Now stay dead.
Well, you keep getting in my face with that.
What the fuck do you want? Okay, we're done, so I'm in juice. Look at that. I know, it hurts like crazy, don't it? The boxes are hard as a rock.